you are looking forward to make YouTube recommend your videos, here are 5 things you need to do in order for YouTube to start recommending your videos. Number 1, optimize your video title, description, and tags very, very well. Number 2, create eye-catching thumbnail. Create eye-catching thumbnail. Number 3, I want you to create a hook on your video, like make a video that will make your audience stay and watch that particular video from beginning to the end. In the other way around, make your video short from the beginning to increase your audience retention. Number 4, encourage your audience to interact with your video, like encourage them to engage with your video, like ask them to engage. Another thing again, which is the last one, the 5th one, is for you to build a niche and upload your video every day. Upload your video every day for good 30 days non-stop. That is why we ask you to please, before you start a YouTube channel, try your best to make a lot of research and know the best niche that will suit you. If you enjoyed these tips, why would you click the subscribe button and like the video? I'm coming again.